cellphone, kundi na-experience na nila kung kasama na-experience. Di ba, mother? Di ba, daddy ang maliit? Okay, so, pwede na mag-register sa McDonald's J8 Larry at 999 pesos only. So, dili na kamahalan kay ang pinailahan t-shirt, ilahang color o ilahang bag, and of course, ilahang meal. So, pwede na makapili of time 8 to 10 p.m. at 2 to 4 p.m. Musa pa ngayong ipapon, magpabok na ta. Okay? So, see you in McDonald's J8 Larry. Thank you so much and have a nice day. And of course, while waiting sa dinner na ay popcorn and cotton candy beer. So, kung tira mo mga ipahamin na slide. Thank you so much and God bless.